Hello students, welcome to another lesson today. I hope you all are fine and well at your home. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is the simplification of the fraction term into its lowest form. So the topic today we are going to discuss is fractions in the lowest term. This is a very important topic because once you will learn this topic, this is going to help you out very further in your higher classes also. So I request you all to understand this concept carefully. Now, whenever there are fractions given to you, it is not necessary that the fraction will be in its lowest form. Maybe they are in the equivalent format also. So if you have to make that equivalent fraction into its lowest form, how you are going to do that? So there are many methods to do that. I am going to tell you the most simplest and easiest way, the error free, in which you will not make any mistake. So let us start discussing the solution one by one for all these four parts, where you have to reduce it into lowest form. The first number which you have to convert into its lowest form is 45 upon 60. So if you have to convert 45 upon 60 into its lowest form, so how you are going to do this? The most easiest method, which I feel according to you, you should know, is to write the factors of these two numbers, the prime factors of these numbers, and then do the solution. So the first part is 45 upon 60. I am writing up the number here, 45 upon 60. Find out the factors of 45 and 60. So 45 dividing by 3 gives 15. Again dividing by 3, 5, and dividing by 5, 1. For 60, dividing by 2, 30, dividing by 2, 15, dividing by 3, 5, dividing by 5 is 1. So this is the most easiest method to find the lowest form of the number. Now what you have to do in the next step, write 45 into its factor form. So 45 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 upon 60. How you can write 60? We can write 60 by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Clear, students? So we have written both the numbers into its factor form. Now it's time to simplify the term. As you can see here, 5 and 5, they are same. So 5 simplified by 5, answer is 1. So 5 cancelled with 5. This one of the 3 cancelled with 3. Can we cancel this 3? No. And similarly these two. So the terms which are left now will be your final answer after multiplication. So what are the terms here left? 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. 3 ones are 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 upon 2 twos are 4. And here at these two places 1 and 1 are left. So 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 4 ones are 4. So what is the lowest form for 45 upon 60? 3 upon 4. Clear, students? This is quite easier because you have already studied how to find the factors of the given numbers. So simply find the factors, write the factors for both numerator and denominator, cancel out the common terms, and rest of the value after multiplication will be your answer. So the lowest form for 45 upon 60 is 3 upon 4. Clear, students? Let's check out the solution for the second part, where the number is 125 upon 500. 125 upon 500. What you will do? Make the factors of these two numbers. So making the factor of 125, 5, 25, 5, 5s are 5, 1s are. Let's make the factor of 500 now. So 500, 2, 250, dividing by 2, 125, dividing by 5, 25, dividing by 5, 5, and dividing by 5, 1. Now in the next step, we are going to write the factors of these two numbers. So the factor of 125 is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So 125 can be written as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Similarly 500. 500 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Clear, students? Now what will be our next step? To simplify the common terms. So 5 and 5 simplified, 5 and 5 simplified, and one more pair of 5 and 5 simplified. So what you are left in the numerator? 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. In the denominator, 2 twos are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So what is your answer? The lowest term for 125 upon 500 is 1 upon 4. Clear, students? So you can write here that therefore 125 upon 500 is equals to 1 upon 4. Clear? Okay. So now let's move to the third part, in which you have to find the lowest form for 70 upon 85. So 70 upon 85, the method is same. Find the factors of 70 very first, dividing by 2, 2 35s are, dividing by 5, 7s are, now 7 1s are. Find out the factors of 85 also similarly, dividing by 5, 5 1s are and 5 7s are. Then 17 1s are. Why we have divided by 17? Because 17 is a prime number. Now in the next step, write the factors for 70. So that is 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Factors of 85, 5 multiplied by 17. So what is the common term which you can simplify? 5 1s are, 5 1s are. Only this much? Yes. Now the rest of the term, 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 14. 1 17s are 17. So what is the lowest form for 70 upon 85 is 14 upon 17. Clear, students? So this is the most easiest method to find the lowest term for any fraction when you are doing it at its initial stage, because you are doing this simplification, or you can say writing the number in the simplest or lowest form first time. So I want you all to understand the concept by this method. Slowly and gradually you can understand different methods also, but at this time you should do it by this method. Now coming up to the last part, where you have to find the lowest form for 8 upon 12. The number is 8 upon 12. So what you will do? Make the factors, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are. Finding up the factors of 12 now, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. So in the next step, what is the factor of 8? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. What are the factors of 12? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 1s are, 2 1s are. So both two pairs of 2 are cancelled. What we are left with now? 2 upon 3. And 2 upon 3 is the lowest form for 8 upon 12. So the lowest term for 8 upon 12 is 2 upon 3. Clear, students? So this is how you can make any fraction number into its lowest form. By finding the factors and simplifying the term, you will get it into its lowest term. This lowest term can also be asked in the form of simplify the term, or write it in the simplest form, or write it in its lowest term, or reduce to the lowest term. Clear, students? I hope this method of reducing the fractions into its lowest term is clear to all of you. Thank you for the lesson, students.